Good day, I'm Andrea Chizom and this is your JIS News for Thursday, October 15. A significant element of government's 381-megawatt project to reduce the country's energy bill came to fruition this week. The Jamaica Public Service Company launched its $2.5 billion project to convert its Bogue plant in St. James into a dual facility for automotive diesel oil ADO and liquefied natural gas LNG. This will replace obsolete baseload generation equipment at the 120-megawatt plant with a more efficient, lower-cost fuel system. Energy Minister Philip Powell says in addition to cheaper electricity, the project will provide a channel for new opportunities, including the potential to establish Jamaica as a Caribbean energy hub. He adds that discussions with U.S. officials last year could see facilities being set up on the island for the distribution of LNG to other Caribbean countries at a cheaper rate.
We are so well placed geographically to establish a hub. Not only Jamaicans want gas. Gas can be distributed from Jamaica to Cuba when the embargo is lifted, to Haiti, to Dominic, to those of us in the Western Caribbean. And Jamaica can facilitate every ounce of that gas.
The Bogue conversion project is scheduled to be completed by the second quarter of 2016. Government's public-private partnership model is expected to add 4,000 new rooms to Jamaica's tourism sector during the next decade. Karisma Hotels and Resorts announced on Tuesday that it has acquired 228 acres of land in Landover St. Anne to build 9 hotels. The first is a 1,200-room all-inclusive to be opened in the winter of 2018.
This project will represent about 8,000 new jobs and opportunities. Direct jobs, yes. 8,000 direct jobs and about 5,000 indirect jobs. This is going to be one of the greatest developments that we have, that we are focusing right now.
The 8 to 10-year investment by Karisma Hotels and Resorts is estimated at $900 million. Hospital Montego Bay, a new state-of-the-art private hospital in Rosal St. James, is now fully opened to the public. The facility, which was built at a cost of $2.3 billion, is the only private Jamaican hospital with an intensive care unit outside of Kingston and should help boost government's health tourism plans for Jamaica. In the first phase of operations, Hospital Montego Bay will have a 24-hour emergency room, a 22-bed hospitalization area, a 5-bed ICU, a laboratory, and outpatient services.
The government welcomes this investment in the sector and appreciates the significant positive effect on your operation on the overall health care delivery system in Jamaica.
The police have seized 68 firearms and almost 800 assorted rounds of ammunition in Jamaica since the Get the Guns campaign was launched a little over 3 weeks ago. Law enforcers in Haiti, who are partnering with the Jamaica Constabulary Force to carry out the campaign, have also reaped significant results. Police Commissioner Dr. Carl Williams pointed to successes in one of their major operations.
That resulted in the seizure of some 13 illegal firearms that were destined for Jamaica and some 2,500 pounds of marijuana coming from Jamaica. Or that was exchanged actually for the illegal guns.
Meanwhile, the JCF continues to increase its resources to intercept illicit guns, drugs, and people who seek to enter Jamaica by sea. The United States has given the JCF 10 Boston whaler vessels valued at $1.5 million. 9 vessels were handed over on Wednesday, and the remaining Boston whaler vessel will be handed over in a few weeks. This will bring the number of reliable vessels in the Police Marine Division to 16 and will place Jamaica as the Caribbean country with the largest maritime presence. The Police Commissioner says other partnerships with the United States will help to further strengthen the JCF's capacity.
Through our partnership, the JCF is expecting to be provided in a short time with bicycles to enhance the fleet of patrol bikes that we have around the island. And within the next few months, I will call the members of the media here once again to witness the handover of body-worn cameras that will be used to ensure that police accountability is boosted
And finally, the Health Ministry is enhancing its control activities in all parishes to tackle the increase in the mosquito population. To start, the ministry has released a schedule to carry out fogging in several Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Thomas communities, while persons are urged to report areas for fogging to their parish health department. Focus will also be placed on schools. Individuals are also urged to get rid of mosquito breeding sites and protect themselves from mosquito bites by wearing long-sleeved clothing and using insecticides to kill adult mosquitoes. The mosquito population in the home may also be reduced by putting mesh on doors and windows. Health Ministry officials say the population of mosquitoes that are now causing concern for many citizens has increased because these types lay their eggs in the soil during the dry period and hatch once it rains. These do not generally spread diseases but can cause discomfort. They are most active between 5:30 and 7:30 in the mornings and evenings. And that's it for JIS News today. Amanda Chisholm, thank you for watching.